So you're like me and you like to keep your important stuff in an actual safe that's fireproof? Well, I have found one that is definitely fireproof. And luckily for us, we were gifted this TIGERKING 3.47 cubic foot fire safe. This fire safe is definitely heavy duty, and the box that it came in was proof of that, because this box that it came in was super thick, protecting this safe wonderfully. One way to tell that your safe is fireproof is just by the weight of it. This is definitely got some weight to it. Now, I do like the fact that it gives you two different ways of getting into this safe. One being your keys, and they give you two keys. And then you do have this keypad here. And the keypad is super simple to set up. On the inside of this door here, you do have a button that you would just push to actually reset the code. So that's super simple. So this does give you a backup option just in case the batteries inside have died and you don't have your key on you. You can put a 9-volt battery right up to this, and that'll get you inside the unit so that way you can change out your batteries. That's a pretty cool feature if you ask me. Now, as you can see, the locks on here, you do have 4 large locks, making this safe pry-proof. Another way for you to be able to tell that a safe is fireproof is just having these hinges on the exterior. Really allows it to get a really tight seal. And this does state that it gives you 30 minutes of being fireproof. Now, just the feel of this actual safe, you can tell that the metal is a very heavy duty metal. And it does have this felt line within it, which is going to actually keep the unit very dry. So as you can see on the inside, you do have these 2 shelves and they are adjustable. So being that this is 3.47 cubic feet of room in here, it definitely allows you to store whatever's important to you in here. It does also provide hardware so you can bolt it right to the floor. So all in all, I'm pretty impressed with this safe. It is made of some serious quality here, and the features on it really do make it very easy for you to be able to program it and just have the peace of mind that whatever you put in here is going to be safe from flames or even intruders.